Service Ranger 4.13 Advanced Diagnostic mas simple. Service Ranger 4.13 delivers advanced diagnostic capabilities in a simple and efficient route. It is designed to help technicians handle complex engine issues without unnecessary complexity. With fast and stable EQ communication, Service Ranger 4.13 provides immediate access to engine systems. Automatic system identification ensures compatibility and saves valuable diagnostic time. The software offers detailed fault code analysis with clear descriptions and supporting data. This allows users to understand engine problems quickly and focus on accurate solutions. Real-time data monitoring simplifies advanced diagnostics by observing live parameters. Technicians can evaluate engine performance. Service Ranger 4.13 also includes system tests and actuator controls that help verify component functionality without disassembly. These tools reduce guesswork and streamline the troubleshooting process. By combining powerful features with an intuitive look, Service Ranger 4.13 makes advanced diagnostics simple, reliable, and efficient for professional service environments.